I was sent this video of a woman asking for someone to help with her faucet, so I did. Hi, I'm Dave with Remodel Media, and I help people with their kitchen, bath, outdoor kitchen, and various other home renovation projects. So what can we see? This user, who goes by the name Chaotic Carrie, seems to be trying to turn on a matte black swan-shaped single-hole bathroom faucet. She pushes and pulls, twists and turns at the wings. Nothing seems to happen. At one point, the entire faucet seems to turn a little, but that's probably because the retaining nut down below isn't tightened enough. Exasperated, she makes the assertion that nobody in this house must wash their hands because they can't work the faucet. And at the very end, we get this super clear view of an open chrome drain that does not match the faucet. We'll come back to that. Guys, I've been doing this for 20 years, and I've seen almost every faucet configuration known to man, or woman in this case. Probably a couple they-thems too. And I've seen swan faucets from a number of different manufacturers. However, I was only aware of one reputable manufacturer that was currently making swan-shaped faucets, and that was a company called Filrich. Based in Costa Mesa, California, they make their Swan Collection bathroom faucets in widespread only, no single hole. But the good news is you do have the option to get either the metal lever handles or the Swarovski crystal handles for the same list price of $2,176. But I'm pretty sure this was not part of that collection. So I did what anybody would do. I did some Googling. At first I found this faucet listed by lightinthebox.com, and that looked really close, but I realized there were two key details that were missing. One was the whites of the eyes on the faucet in the video seem to be painted in. The other is the shape of the rod in the back that is not exactly the same. The faucet from Light in the Box has more of a tubular shaft, where the faucet in the video actually has a decorative finial at the top. So I kept looking, and I found this faucet from Sinwinny. Right away, the eyes and that finial look correct, but obviously this is a much taller version made for a vessel sink. So I thought maybe this faucet, like many faucets, is part of the product family, meaning he has a baby brother, and guys, that was it. We're looking at the Sinwinny bathroom sink faucet, swan-shaped, single-handle, one-hole lavatory basin tap mixer deck mount. The actual description was longer, but they crammed a lot of duplicate keywords in there, going for that sweet, sweet search engine SEO. Dude, what does any of this have to do with turning the faucet on or off? That was the original question, you know. Right you are. And remember that mismatched drain I said we'd come back to? This mismatched drain is probably the pop-up from the old chrome faucet that they replaced, but they had to pull the stopper out because something about this new faucet was incompatible with that old style pop-up. Well, I found this faucet on Amazon and confirmed my suspicions. According to Amazon, the drain is actually sold separately. But wait! Why then is there that rod in the back of the faucet that looks so much like a pop-up rod when it so obviously is not? Well, remember how the description on this faucet called it a single handle, single hole faucet? That's when it dawned on me. This is just a dressed up, fancier version of a joystick faucet like those shown here. You just move that lever forward or back for on or off and left or right for hot and cold, which of course prompted me to leave this comment on the original video.
Pull the lever, Kronk.
Thanks for watching. The best way to support what I do is, of course, interact with the video. However, if you want my undivided attention and you want me to consult on your project, click the link and book an appointment.